Okay, this side is done too.
Oh, it looks so much smoother.
Remember to ice it. It can be swelling, a little bit bruising will be more around the mouth because we use needle there, and in the cheeks is going to be just swelling, not much bruising. Because cannula is non-traumatic, but swelling still happens to respond to the filler, and the swelling is never symmetrical, so one side can look different than other. So you just have to let it heal. And yeah, you feel your filler too when you're washing your face for a couple of weeks. That's normal because the filler we put underneath the skin, and it takes like up to 8 weeks or so that integrates with your skin, and then you don't feel it anymore. Okay. Looks irritated, but you can see the difference right here. These lines. And side. You can see like right here the volume, and more so here. Here we go.
Nice. Like that right there, the side right there, that was wow, it's nice and full.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Done.